Want to know how to grow a San Pedro cactus indoors? Check this video out. So it's a Tuesday in Jersey. It's September, almost the end of September, and it's starting to get cold outside, and it's warm and cold outside. I had my cactuses outside, but I just recently brought them in because it was raining multiple days in a row. So cactuses outside with rain and the humidity of Jersey weather, I said, let me bring these guys back inside. So what I'll be doing today is this guy, Pedro. It's my San Pedro cactus. I had it shipped to me when it was about 6 inches old. Where I think this is 6. I think it was. Yeah, I think it was 6 inches, maybe 7, maybe 9. But what I got here is what I planted it, and I actually had to change the pot because I love this planter. I had it in another planter that I didn't like. I took it out, I pulled it up, and the roots, I saw the roots. I didn't wait for it to, I didn't plant it right away. I let it grow roots, and I have some pictures which I'll show there. But all in all, it's got roots. It's still living. It's been outside. I did not drill a hole in this pot, which I should have. That's a mistake. But all in all, my green throwing power is still running. It does have some requirements because it is a cactus. Needs full sun, light watering. Of course, we know that. Cactuses are pretty much all the same. I put it in a sandy mix with Happy Frog. I like using Happy Frog. I don't know, I'm just attracted to Happy Frog. I don't work for Happy Frog. I'm not promoting Happy Frog, but I like Happy Frog. But this is this guy here. It's Pedro. I love him lots. Pause. And this is a euphorbia I received also from IKEA, which has spider webs on it. I just brought this inside also. He's doing pretty well. Hopefully he'll get big and strong for me. And this guy, which I forgot his name, I'll post the name there. He's doing pretty well. Nice cement pot planter. He's doing pretty well. That's all we need. And I've had him for about, I actually bought him regular price, which is a rarity. If you've been watching my videos, I don't buy anything regular price. I buy everything discounted. But I decided to choose him, and I bought him regular price. I also had my jade finger plant. I forgot. I'll put the name of this guy, but it's the same requirements as my other jade. This is different from a special species, but this is my other jade, which I have brought luck to. It has a nasty, let's get that out of there. Ooh, what the hell's jumping on here? Oh, it's a spider in there. They won't like that. See him? Spider? Yeah, spiders are everywhere. I'm not that freaked out about spiders as long as they're not in my bed. But I'll keep him there just in case he's eating something. Hopefully he doesn't get too big, but he's in there. I think that's a jumping spider too. But if he's alright in there and he's doing his job, maybe he's catching some fungus gnats, I ain't got a problem with it. He's there. And he can jump in this jungle. As long as you don't stray anywhere else. He's looking at me right now. As long as you don't stray anywhere else besides these plants, you can stay. Your rank is to eat fungus gnats. Anything else I don't want. So you're the only spider too. No other spiders. Don't think about having no babies. It ain't happening.